Black-Owned 365 is not just a hashtag in my life or a mantra. It's literally every day. Keep watching to see how I support Black-owned businesses throughout the year. I'm Jamie, the creator of ClothCuties.com, a site designed to encourage you to cloth diaper your baby. From an infant through the toddler years, I've got the tips and tricks you need to simplify your cloth diapering experience. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, we are smack dab in the middle of Black History Month, and I am enjoying the vibe. I hope you are too, and I hope you're learning about new people, places, things, creatives, ideas that help you support a Black-owned business this year. As you know from last week, we told you all about 20 Black-owned cloth diaper businesses that you can support right now. And because I want you to get like me and keep this energy all 365, I created a new e-guide to help you know how to get in contact with all of the Black-owned cloth diaper businesses that are currently in the industry. Make sure you click the link below to get my free guide that will help you navigate the Black-owned cloth diaper industry. It's quick, it's easy, and did I say it's free? Yes, it's free. Make sure you grab your copy right now, guys. So today's video, we're keeping this same energy, and I'm showing you exactly how I go throughout the entire year and support Black-owned businesses. It is literally not just a hashtag for me, it is part of my daily life. And I love it. I get a lot of energy from it. I get a lot of energy from researching and supporting these businesses. And so I think you should know about them too. So let's go. We're going to show you how I do it. So we got all ready because Noelle is going to be in the, what are you gonna do today?
Wait.
She's gonna be in the MLK Day parade.
Mommy, I think I had a dream about you driving.
Oh, you did?
Did I?
Did you?
No.
So come on guys, we're gonna go to the parade. Noelle's very first parade. Are you excited about it? What you thinking?
Good. Well.
All right, my girl. I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of a day in my life and how we support Black-owned businesses in our family throughout the year. I want to know in the comments below, what Black-owned business did you not know about that now you do and you're going to go support them? Tell me in the comments below. I would love to hear it. And this is just a reminder, if you want to support Black-owned cloth diaper businesses all year 2022, make sure you click the link below and get your copy of my free e-guide to help you navigate the Black-owned cloth diapering industry. And y'all, don't be selfish. Don't just get your copy, but make sure you tell a friend and have them get their own copy too. Send them the link, okay? It's that easy. Thank you guys for rocking with me today. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video, and head over to clothcuties.com where there's more content to help you simplify your cloth diapering experience. Bye guys.